Dishwasher usage is essential nowadays. After COVID period, every home needs a dishwasher. Is it compulsory to own a dishwasher in every home? The answer is yes. After multiple usage of dishwasher, one question will arise. Yes, it is useful. What is the question is how to clean the dishwasher, as the dishwasher cleans every utensils in our home, but it also needs some care. After cleaning our home vessels, it stores some oil greases, some stains, some vegetable wastages inside the dishwasher. Maybe it is visible or invisible. We need to clean them to give shine and clear view of the dishwasher. It is very easy to clean the dishwasher from the accessories in our home. How? It's very easy, as I have said earlier. Just take a cup of vinegar in your home and put inside the dishwasher. That is enough. That is fair enough to clean our dishwasher. After placing the cup of vinegar inside the dishwasher, just close the door. And in the menu option, you have to find one button which says the machine clean option. After selecting the machine clean option, it shows more than 3 hours of running time. Just wait patiently until the machine fully runs down. After the machine runs down, you will see the magic action of the vinegar, which will turn your dishwasher into a shiny and pure view. After the 3 hours usage of dishwasher, our dishwasher stopped automatically, and we need to switch off the power, and don't forget to switch off the water tap also. Now it's opening time. Wow, what a clear and pure view. The vinegar inside the dishwasher has done magic. It vanishes all the stains in and around inside the dishwasher. Now the vinegar bowl has contained some residue of water. Just take it and drain it out. See, each and every part of the dishwasher is now showing a clear and shiny view. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.